super hot day today, but we're gonna try a short hike anyway. Definitely hot out here. Sounds a bit like thunder in the distance. I don't want to be caught in a thunderstorm, but at this point I really wouldn't mind pouring rain on me. I decided to come over to Deque Falls because it's just about a 10-minute drive from where I was parked at Short Hills. It is ridiculously hot, and my family is always teasing me about how much water I bring, but today I am very happy that I brought 7 water bottles.